Hi friends, in this video, I would like to share about how to build wealth with no money. Before starting the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future exciting educational videos released weekly. In today's world, you do not necessarily have to come up with tens of thousands of startup capital to start making money. Numerous opportunities are available for you to proceed and build your wealth without any money. All you need to learn is the correct methods that you should follow. This will eventually help you to become a wealthy person within a short period and enjoy all the benefits that come with it. However, you need to work extra hard if you want to be successful. The argument is that hard work is hard. We are not prepared to put in the extra hours needed because it is challenging and tiring. The following are some of the steps that you can follow to build up your wealth with no money. 1. Invest in yourself as you allow your career to take off. You should learn how to invest in yourself accordingly. The investments you make will never be in vain. That's because it can deliver good returns to you in the future. To begin with, you need to have a development mindset. This mindset will provide you with the opportunity you need to keep on moving forward along with the times. Then, you can look back at your career and focus on the areas that you didn't do so well. Along with that, you can proceed with investing more time and effort on improving the areas that you want to develop. You should also reflect on what you have been doing so far and then set goals on where you wish to get next. Once you start working hard to develop yourself, you will get the opportunity to take your career to the next level. You can easily show to your boss that you are a capable person in the workplace. As a result, you can get promoted with ease and climb up on the career ladder. 2. Try to earn an additional income. You should never stick only to a single income. Instead, you need to try your best to generate multiple sources of income. You should not just spend your leisure time in vain. During that time, you can think about how to earn an additional income. For example, some people that work full-time will work as Uber drivers during the evenings after they have finished their daily job. Depending on your capabilities, you can take a look at the available methods to earn an additional income. The internet has created a large number of opportunities for you to earn an additional income as well. You can take a look at the opportunities that are most convenient and effortless to set up. For example, you could set up a website or a blog to share your knowledge. Then you can display advertisements on that website and generate passive income. It is also possible for you to work as an online freelancer. You can work during the off-work hours to sell a service online and make money. 3. Starting a small business online. As mentioned earlier, the internet has created lots of opportunities for people interested in generating money. All you have to do is leverage on those opportunities and work hard. This is where you can proceed to start a small business online. For example, you can set up an online store that sells handmade necklaces, which you make by yourself. Or you can also partner with some of the manufacturers and sell their products through your online store. If you are looking for the most effective method to set up an online store, dropshipping is one of the best available options to consider. Here, you need to have an online store and get people to buy what you offer. The third-party service provider will fulfill the orders placed by your visitors. Hence, you will end up creating a passive income machine at the end of the day with the right methods and the hard work invested. Any person who wants to build wealth fast can take a look at these opportunities which are available online. People who wish to learn how to build wealth from nothing can also follow it. You will discover that a lot of people have become millionaires through leveraging on these online opportunities. 4. Cut down on expenses to save more money. You need to focus on cutting down unwanted expenses to save more money and build your wealth fast. For example, you can take a look at your monthly expenses to figure out ways to lower your spending. You can spend less on coffee by replacing Starbucks with brewing your coffee at home. If you are living in an apartment where you have to pay a massive monthly rental, you can move to a cheaper place. Then you will be able to save on rental expenses. You can also avoid buying expensive clothing to show off that you are better or have more money than others. On the other hand, you can get a used car with low mileage instead of buying a new car, and it will still look as good as new. If you consider the depreciation factor, you will realize that you can save a massive amount of money quite easily. Summary and key lessons. I believe that now you have a clear understanding of how to build wealth with no money after watching this video. You need to stick to these methods and proceed with building your wealth. It can deliver outstanding results to you. I also strongly advise any other person who wants to learn how to build wealth fast to stick to these steps. This way, you will ensure that you are receiving the best results at the end of the day. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future interesting educational videos released by us. Please leave any comment below if you have a question for me, and I will reply to it.